kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the solar system. Kids, this video is very interesting and full knowledgeable. Please full watch this video and subscribe my channel. Kids, this beautiful color used in the solar system. First we paint the sun yellow color. Orange color. All these planets revolve around the sun. First we paint the Mercury with grey color. Second we paint the Mars planet, orange color. Brown color. Third we paint the Neptune, blue color. Green color. Now we paint the earth, blue color. Green color in land. Now we paint the Venus, yellow color. Orange color. Now we paint the Jupiter planet, red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Now we paint the Saturn planet, yellow color. Green color. Now we paint the last planet, Uranus, blue color. Green color. Kids, all these planets revolve around the sun. Let's learn together with me these planets' name. First, Mercury, Mars, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Kids, our solar system are ready. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.